Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to make a budget when you have a regular income. If you're someone who doesn't receive a fixed paycheck each month, this video is for you. Managing finances can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can take control of your money. So let's dive in. Before we begin, let's understand what irregular income means. Irregular income refers to the situation where your earnings fluctuate from month to month. It could be due to freelancing, contract work, seasonal employment, or any other situation where your income is not fixed. Creating a budget is crucial to ensure you can cover your expenses and save for the future. Slide 1. Assess your average income. The first step is to assess your average income. Take a look at your earnings over the past several months and calculate the average. This will give you a baseline figure to work with. Remember, it's better to underestimate your income rather than overestimate it. It's always wise to plan conservatively. Slide 2. Determine essential expenses. Next, determine your essential expenses. These are the costs that you must pay each month to cover your basic needs. They include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. List them down and calculate their total. This will give you a clear picture of your minimum expenses. Slide 3. Prioritize savings. Saving money is crucial, regardless of your income stability. When you have a regular income, it becomes even more important to prioritize savings. Set aside a certain percentage of your income each month for savings. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense. Building an emergency fund is particularly important in case of lean months or unexpected expenses. Slide 4. Allocate discretionary income. Now that you've covered your essential expenses and savings, let's talk about discretionary income. This is the money you have left after taking care of your necessities. It's the amount you can spend on non-essential items like entertainment, dining out, or hobbies. However, it's crucial to be mindful of how you spend this money. Set a monthly limit for discretionary spending and stick to it. Slide 5. Embrace the power of budgeting tools. To make budgeting easier, embrace the power of budgeting tools. There are many apps and software available that can help you track your income, expenses, and savings goals. These tools can give you a clear overview of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions. Slide 6. Be flexible and adapt. When you have a regular income, flexibility is key. Your budget may need adjustments from time to time. Some months you may have higher earnings, while others may be lean. Be prepared to adapt your budget accordingly. It's essential to review your finances regularly and make necessary changes as your income fluctuates. Remember, creating a budget when you have a regular income requires discipline and planning. It may take some time to find the right balance, but don't get discouraged. By following these steps and staying proactive with your finances, you'll be well on your way to financial stability. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy budgeting.